Welcome to the Centurion School of Smart Agriculture, a hub of innovation, learning and sustainable progress. Here, we combine traditional agricultural wisdom with modern scientific advancements to train the next generation of agri-professionals, researchers and entrepreneurs. The Horticultural Laboratory at Centurion School of Smart Agriculture is a vibrant space where students explore the science and art of cultivating fruits, vegetables, flowers and ornamental plants. Here, practical training goes hand in hand with theory. Students learn about plant propagation techniques, greenhouse management. The Entomology Laboratory helps students understand this fascinating world of insects. The lab houses specimen collections, microscopes and identification tools that help in studying insect morphology, taxonomy and behaviour. One of the most advanced facilities at the Centurion School of Smart Agriculture is the Speed Breeding Unit. This state-of-the-art lab uses controlled environment chambers and LED lighting systems to accelerate plant growth and breeding cycles. At the heart of every agricultural system lies agronomy, the science of field crop production and soil management. The Agronomy Lab at Centurion School of Smart Agriculture provides students with practical exposure to crop production techniques, irrigation methods, weed management and fertiliser application. Welcome to the Tissue Culture Lab at Centurion University, a hub of innovation and hands-on learning. Here, students explore advanced techniques in plant tissue culture, working with sterilisation, media preparation, inoculation and regeneration processes. The lab provides a real-world environment to understand micropropagation, genetic improvement and sustainable agricultural practices. Through guided experiments and research, young biotechnologists at Centurion University gain the skills to create disease-free, high-yield plant varieties, contributing to a greener and more sustainable future. farm at Centurion University is a living laboratory for sustainable agriculture and experiential learning. Here, students and researchers practice eco-friendly farming techniques, from composting and vermiculture to crop rotation and natural pest management. The farm promotes the use of biofertilizers and organic manures, avoiding harmful chemicals to protect soil health and biodiversity. This green initiative helps students understand the real-world applications of agricultural science, combining traditional wisdom with modern innovation to cultivate healthy crops and a sustainable future. At the Centurion School of Smart Agriculture, learning goes beyond textbooks and classrooms. It's about nurturing a deep connection with the land, understanding nature's processes, and using science to enhance them responsibly. With our state-of-the-art laboratories, expert faculty, and experiential learning approach, we are building a generation that will lead the future of sustainable agriculture. Centurion School of Smart Agriculture, where knowledge grows, innovation thrives, and the seeds of the future are sown.